kind of is meaning to cheat today. You only scored 2 touchdowns. So today's football playoffs, that's fun. 12 o'clock is the first game, so that's in like 30 minutes. And then if they win, it's at 7 p.m. And then if they win that, they play right after at 8 o'clock.
Yep.
Leave it in the comments below. How many touchdowns do you think Lincoln will score today? We will keep track of them. There was a video of Lincoln cheats at football that we put up a few years ago. And he didn't mean to cheat at football. Like, he had his thing in there. He kind of is meaning to cheat today, but it's not really against the rules. So here's the deal. His flags are yellow, and what he ended up doing was he bought yellow shorts so that they match the flags. Look at that. Yellow on yellow. Nobody else on his team has that. So that was a good play. Lincoln ran a good route, but then the ball was thrown like 15 yards shorter than where he needed to go, so he went back. And then he ended up just having to fight to make it not be an interception. It's about almost halftime, and it's 6-14 that Lincoln's team is winning. There's a touchdown for Lincoln. They're about to win this game, so that's good. How'd it go, bud?
Did you get my catch?
You only scored 2 touchdowns.
Sorry.
Come on.
No, I said all games combined.
Oh, I hear you. Okay. We just did what Lincoln wanted to do, which is go to football. London didn't want to do it, so now we're doing what London wants to do, which is go to a carnival.
How did they get all this stuff here?
I don't know. It's a mystery. Brooks, are you ready to go? How fast are you gonna go? That many? One many? Okay.
Go!
Alright, go Brooks, go, 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 go!
Go!
Fast as you can! Hurry!
Go!
You won! You did it! You're the champ! Yes! Well, if you saw those 3 bounce houses and you were like, where's the rest of the carnival? That was
the carnival.
That was it. So we were leaving the carnival and going to get food, In-N-Out Burger. We still have about 3 more hours until Lincoln's semifinals football game. Next stop is, where are we going, London?
Spirit Halloween.
Spirit Halloween. Oh man.
Maybe I
can. Look at this stuff. This is like creepy eyes that you put over your eyes. Oh, horns. Think about this stuff.
I don't like it.
No, Lincoln. That's awful.
Scary.
Throwback to our iPhone video. Oh, we found it. I'd rather be a unicorn. What is it? Donut dog. Look, unicorn vests, London, and there's headbands. Just which ones? What do you need here? What about this? And then you could put this tail on. Okay, Lincoln, did you find any Fortnite stuff?
No.
Nothing? Spirit Halloween, I thought you had Fortnite stuff. Where's the Fortnite costumes? So nothing there for us. London saw some unicorn stuff, but not enough to buy. Lincoln really wants to be the skeleton guy from Fortnite. I think...
Skull Trooper.
Skull Trooper?
They have them on Amazon. It says it's in the store, but apparently not.
All right, we are back for game 2. We went home and just relaxed for a little bit. They win this game, they go to the championship. They beat this team once, they've lost to this team once. Why am I holding everybody's buys? Okay, go get them, Lincoln. Okay. Show no mercy.
Oh, okay.
They're about to start. I'm a little nervous for them, but they're under the lights. Saturday night, under the lights with on the turf. This should be fun. I think Lincoln's gonna be a little nervous. Even though it's flag football, I know a lot of people who say it's not real football. It's not tackle football. It's fun. It's a good thing, and it's a little bit safer where you don't get tackled and hit all the time. Game on. Good luck, Lincoln. All right, so far it's 1 touchdown for the other team and 0 for Lincoln. What's it? This your squishy? Cheeseburger squishy? Let me feel it. Oh, it's nice. They're down by about 4 touchdowns. Lincoln's thrown some great passes and stuff, but I think they're gonna lose this game. It's been a fun season. This is probably Lincoln's last time playing flag football because he's 12, and that's the last age to be able to play flag football. So I think they've gone, in 5 years, he's only lost 5 games with flag football, so that's pretty good. Lincoln, if you're ever watching this, like 10 years down the road, super proud of you. Good job at working hard and being a good teammate to your teammates. It's been fun. That team was better, and that's all right.
Yeah.
It was a good run. It's been like 5 years of flag football. You've only lost maybe 5 times. This is what could have been, Lincoln. Super Bowl trophies.
They're for the coaches.
The real Super Bowl trophies.
No,
Look at that.
Coaches. Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. That's the important thing. So next year, tackle football. I'm excited to see you play that. No. That's the day. I hope you liked flag football. I don't know if he's gonna play again, but stay tuned.
Wait, can I?
If we change your birth certificate so you're young, no, you can't, no. But you can play tackle football. Basketball season is next. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hey, London. One.